Today I'm going to show you how to add gigs to your Fiverr account that actually sell. So if you're here on this page over here, you'll be able to create a gig, right? So how do we do that? So right from here, you can come down over here, and if you have not yet created one, which is the reason you're on this video, you will see the steps to be completed and click on create a gig. Now, there are these 6 pages that you need to go through to create a gig, so make sure that you fill out all of this information appropriately. The first thing is to add a gig title. So this is your storefront, so add in I will do something, okay, and add in whatever it is that you want to do, like I will edit your videos or manage your YouTube channel, whatever it is. Select an appropriate category and subcategory, and then add in some tags. These are positive keywords, and these will be used for searching. So if clients are looking for this type of work, this is how they will look for it. Let's go ahead and click on save and continue. Here you will add in scope and pricing. So if you offer more than one package, you'll see here you can turn this on and off, and this basically allows you to add in 3 different tiers of your pricing. Okay, for example purposes, we're going to keep this off, and here we are going to add in the name of the package. So we will add in literally just the name, the description of the actual package that you're offering, delivery time, if there's video editing included, and this is now related directly to the type of industry and sub-industry that I have chosen. So it was actually video production, so UGC style videos, script writing if it's included, revisions, select how many revisions, running time, how many seconds of video you are able to produce, number of length variations, number of orientations, product imagery, voiceover, price. Here you have some additional services that you can add in here. So additional run time, length variation, size, fast delivery, whatever it is, you will charge X amount for whatever variation you are adding in here. And once you are done, you can go ahead again, click on save and continue. All right, here we have descriptions and frequently asked questions. This is the long form of your brief description, okay? Here you can describe in detail what exactly you deliver, and then here we'll have the option of a milestone workflow, and we're going to just leave this out for now, but basically it allows you to put in buyers by turning your gig into a series of milestones, okay? But for what I'm doing, this is not necessary. Here you can add in frequently asked questions. So these are things that people would generally ask you, and you're going to provide some answers over here. And once you're done, of course, save and continue. All right, here we got requirements, and these are the requirements from the client. Okay, so before you actually begin, because this process is very different to a lot of the other job marketplaces. So basically you're building something that somebody can buy off the shelf with like really no conversation in between. So here, Fiverr questions. So these optional questions will be added for your buyers. So if you're ordering for a business, what is your industry? So this is now obviously like if it's going to be maybe for 3D design, e-commerce, accounting, marketing. Then over here you can see this is another example. So what we can add in here is a question. So here you can request details from your client. So for example, so here you can add in what orientation must the video be in. So this is either horizontal or vertical, and you can get it in the form of free text, multiple choice, or attachment. So I'm going to say multiple choice. Here we can say horizontal, and here we can say vertical, and then we can add a new option if we'd like, or we can just click on add. We now have our frequently asked question, and whatever else you want to add in here, you can go ahead, add it in, click on save and continue. All right, now we get to the gallery section. The gallery section will allow you to add in as much detail as possible in a visual format so that your potential clients, whoever is hiring, can actually see what they're getting. So here we've got video, we've got images, documents, and once we're done, we're going to go ahead, click on save and continue. But also you have to declare that all the material that was created by yourself or your team, and you're not infringing on anybody's rights, you basically own the rights to these media files. Let's go ahead and add them in. All right, we're in the last section over here. Basically what you need to do is run through everything that you have just added in here. So from your overview, pricing, description, requirements, gallery, and you're going to come down here. Now, if you have not yet declared your tax status or identification verification, go ahead and do that. Once you're done, you're going to come down here and click on verify now, verify yourself. If you have already done this, go ahead. It's going to say publish now. You're going to publish this gig and people can literally buy it off of the shelf. You'll get a notification and you can start producing with all the details.